What is the ruling on burping in prayer? Now, burping, normally speaking, Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani in Fath al-Bari authenticated a hadith where a man was sitting with the Prophet ﷺ and burped. So the Prophet told him, ﷺ, hey you, stop burping, because the longer a person is full in this life, the longer he will starve on the Day of Judgment. Burping is a sign of a full stomach. And it's a sign of arrogance. When you are in a community and burp, you make the sound. And people laugh out of it. Hey, I can make it bigger, ha ha. And they compete in doing it. This is immoral. This is the action of the lower level of people. People with dignity and honor don't do such a things. And in praying, if it comes, you have to suppress it. At least make it without a sound. But doing it with a sound, it's totally impolite with Allah Azza wa Jal.